Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. $22 billion. That's the increase in currency the Bank of Jamaica is expecting to issue this month, pushing total money in the market to $152 billion. The central bank said increased prices mean the real growth in currency issue for the year would be just over 8%. Last year, it increased to 17%. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.74, the Canadian dollar $103.10. The pound sterling costs $177.53, while the euro is going for $149.03. Caribbean Airlines today started offering service between Kingston, Jamaica and Grand Cayman. The twice-weekly non-stop flight will operate every Tuesday and Saturday. British High Commissioner to Jamaica Asif Ahmad says the new route will help to boost commerce between both countries. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Jamaica strengthening its connectivity with Cayman and at the same time hoping to boost tourism arrivals in both countries. Speaking at the ceremony for the inaugural flight today, British High Commissioner to Jamaica Asif Ahmad explained why the investment makes sense.
There are great reasons for investing in this route. This will mean that Jamaicans who work and spend their leisure time in the Cayman Islands will have another choice. Those who are belongers and residents of the Cayman Islands will be able to come to Jamaica. And I think what Ed Bartlett will be looking forward to are two-center holidaymakers who can come to both Jamaica and the Cayman Islands and get two for the price of one in their holidays.
He says he's hoping the new route will help to facilitate increased business between both countries.
Travel is more than about holidays, it's about business connections, and I'm sure that this new route will mean that more people will connect with each other and do business with each other.
In the meantime, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the new route brings Jamaica one step closer to achieving its goal of becoming the center for regional connectivity.
We're hoping that Kingston will become a hub for the Northern Caribbean so that the connectivity between Jamaica and Havana, Jamaica and Santiago, Jamaica and Cancun can be achieved as a result of here. And I think Caribbean Airlines is well positioned to be that carrier which makes those connectivity, utilizing Kingston as a hub.
The flight will continue up to March 28, 2020. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,368 points today, and the junior market index declined by 31 points. Among the winners, Sterling Investments, Cygnus Credit Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, The Lab and Pulse Investments. On the losing side, we had Mailpac, Siboney, Caribbean Cement, Epley, Caribbean Property Fund and 1834 Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.